Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can use Booking.com AI bot. So let's jump right in. If you've used Booking.com before, start by logging into your account through the app. This allows the AI trip planner to access your past searches and travel history, giving you more personalized and relevant travel suggestions. To access the AI bot, simply tap on the search icon located at the bottom of the screen, then look for the option labeled Chat with our AI Trip Planner. Once you click on Try it out, the chatbot will pop up and be ready to assist. You can use this virtual travel assistant to get inspiration for future trips or help plan vacations already in the works. It works much like a human travel agent. Just tell it your budget, preferences, and travel goals, and it will recommend destinations, accommodations, and flights that suit your needs. However, it's important to remember that, like all AI tools, the Booking.com AI Trip Planner should be used as a complement to your planning, not the sole decision maker. Since the feature is still in beta, it's in its early development stage and may not always be accurate or reliable. Think of it as a helpful assistant to get ideas and streamline your process, but not a replacement for doing your own research. Use it to enhance your travel experience, while staying mindful that it may occasionally miss details or make suggestions that need a second look.